Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing everything I know about sage essential oil. Before we get started, I want to share my Braxley Apple Watch band. I've shared it before and you guys loved it. This pattern is my favorite. It's adjustable and they also have ones that are not adjustable, but they're machine washable, recycled. They're made out of recycled material and I just love them so much. They're the comfiest. I'll never go back to wearing the uncomfy ones like the acrylic or what are they, resin type of ones, like regular watch bands, but these are way cuter. They have tons of prints in regular solid colors also, so go check them out. I do have a code for discount down below too. Quick reminder before we get started, I have recently launched my courses, which are just like an ultimate guide on a very specific thing. So far I have hormones, dogs and oils, and aromatic families and blending. And so think of it as everything you need to know packed into one PDF, digital file for you to download and have forever. And these are available on my Stan store, and I will link that down below in the description. But anyways, let's talk about sage essential oil. This is an oil that really we don't use that much in our house. I've gotten it in like a Simply Earth box before. I have the Rocky Mountain one too. These are actually two different ones, which I'll talk about, but we don't use them that much. When I think of sage, I think of saging your house with like the stick of the herb, not the essential oil. But it's been around forever. It's been used widely in so many cultures for like ceremonial things and healing, skin healing a lot is what I've been reading up on. But so it's been around. People use it. I just don't that much. So let's learn together. Let's learn about it together. So this one is Sage Salvia Officinalis. This is from Rocky Mountain Oils. This is the one that the blog post is going to be about. I can't get this thing to focus. Okay, here we go. The old YouTube hands. So this one is the one that is in the blog post, and like the constituents that we talk about are going to be about this one. But I also have the Simply Earth Sage, which is sage lavender, which is Salvia lavendulifolia, which I think I butchered that, but this one is just a different variety. It's a little bit more floral. It smells, I don't like it as much, which is confusing to me because I love floral, but it's just like an odd kind of floral. It's like eucalyptus and lavender had a baby. This is sage lavender. But anyways, the aroma is like kind of like eucalyptus. It's got that camphor like opening the airways type of smell, which I really, really like. And it has layers though. So you're also getting like the leafy, it's like leafy herby. What does the Simply Earth box say? Earthy and floral. But this one is where it's at. This one smells so good. So it's been used forever. It's a very versatile oil, kind of like eucalyptus. It's used in some of the same ways that eucalyptus is used for, like respiratory. It has a long and storied history. The essential oil is extracted from the leaves of the sage plant through steam distillation, like most essential oils. Distinct aroma is warm, herbaceous, and earthy with a hint of camphor, making it inviting. Okay, so boosting mental clarity is one of the popular uses. Enhance focus. I just did a post on Motivation Monday on Instagram, and I should have included sage because this one is definitely like a wake you up type of oil, kind of like peppermint. Can help clear mental fog, enhance focus, so good for like study time or when you're working, work from home. If you're not working from home and you can't just set up a diffuser at your desk, you can also or always make one of those portable little inhalers and add some sage and maybe some lavender to that. Lavender is really good for focus too, in a weird way. It's like relaxing and helps promote focus, which is actually the same for sage. So this also promotes relaxation. It's a very calming essential oil. So like I said, it's like eucalyptus and lavender had a baby. So soothing nerves, helping alleviate stress and anxiety. It's helpful for unwinding at the end of the day in a diffuser or however you want to use it. Supports respiratory health. So a lot like eucalyptus, where we could make like a steam bowl, hot bowl of steam or a hot bowl of water, and then a couple of drops of essential oil, put a towel over your head, kind of a steam inhalation. You can do an aromatic bath, diffuser, like a chest rub, all of the same ways, right, that we use eucalyptus. Also, it's great for antimicrobial properties and uses, so diffusing it in the air is going to be beneficial. and natural insect repellent. I don't think that it's in, like I've done bug repellent types of videos before, and I don't think I've included sage. So I was interested to learn about that for this one. And love that just another oil is good for repelling bugs, because we do not like bugs around here. Harness the power of sage for DIY cleaning solutions. So you can add it like eucalyptus or peppermint, add it to your cleaning DIYs, like a countertop cleaner, bathroom cleaners, things like that. There are a couple of recipes in this blog post. So a roller blend, stress relief roller blend, with lavender and frankincense and sage, a room spray, bath salts, natural insect repellent spray, a linen spray, and as always, the list of our favorite brands. Simply Earth, Rocky Mountain. We have a few different essential oil companies that we really like and use. But I think, let's see. So I do have this. This is a Young Living based book, the life science book, but it has some good info on single essential oils. So I'm just going to read from this for just a second. So the sage officinalis is antibacterial, antifungal, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-anxiety, anxiolytic. I can never say that word. So all the things we kind of already talked about. Uses are estrogen, progesterone, testosterone deficiencies, which I thought was really interesting. I'm going to look that up. Again, this is it's an older life science book too, just the desk pocket guide. But I'm going to look that up because that is interesting, because I know clary sage is a hormone oil, but sage, I haven't really done much research on this, so I'm going to check it out. Fragrant influence, mentally stimulating, anxiety reducing, strengthens the vital centers of the body, kind of helps you center. And then Spanish sage, so the sage lavender, the sage lavendulifolia. It's been used for a super long time too, and dates way back, but during the Middle Ages it was used for healing effects, and both of them way back were used for like skin healing. So I thought that was interesting. Also, it's been used in cooking, the herb, I'm sure. And then medical properties for the sage lavender, antiseptic, astringent, expectorant, reduces mucus, and things like that. So super cool essential oil. It's one that I'm going to try to be more intentional about using, but I learned a lot. So let me know if you like this video. Again, everything will be linked in this blog post. I'll link some articles too if I find something on the sage and like hormone. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you use sage essential oil regularly and what you use it for. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, check out Braxley bands. They also have bum bags, belt bags, fanny packs, whatever you want to call them, made out of this super comfy material too, and belts. So check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end. I hope you have a great day. Bye.